So this is our, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our very large testicle on this goat. There are two muscles associated with the testicles. This is your cremaster muscle. So this is the muscle that actually like sucks it up or lets it down. Okay, so we do this to help regulate heat. And then the other muscle is a muscle that surrounds the scrotum. So this is our cremaster muscle. The muscle that surrounds the scrotum is the dartus muscle. It kind of like is what shrivels the scrotum up. Okay. So up at the top of here, there's a bunch of arteries, and it's called the Pampinian plexus. Okay, its whole purpose is to cool down blood before it gets into here. If you can tell in this one, there's a lot of holes on the top of that. That's that Pampinian plexus, all those arteries in there, if you can see that. But all those holes is what that is for. Okay, and there you go. Okay. All right, so its whole purpose is just to cool down blood in here because we know heat destroys sperm. All right. Okay. So this is the function of sperm. Okay. So all of these tubules, these squiggly tubules outside, are called their seminiferous tubules. Okay. This is the part that actually releases or starts sperm production. Okay. So from here, it releases into the ret testes, okay, which is in the middle of it. Okay. The ret testes takes it up into the efferent ductules, and then this part right here is, and all of this is the epididymis. This part is the head of the epididymis, this is the body of it, and this is the tail of the epididymis. Okay, so sperm comes out the ret testes into the efferent ductules into the head of the epididymis. Okay, then it takes it down through the body of it and through the tail. Okay, and then from the tail it goes out the ductus deferens. Okay, so the ductus deferens would go up in here, and then that's where it would go into the cavity part that we can't see of the renal and repro tract. Okay. So in terms of motility, sperm is not motile here. It has some motility here, and here is where it should have all of its motility and all of its fertility. Okay. So we move up into this part. The ductus deferens takes it all up into here. Okay, so there's three glands that are associated up at that top part. It's our vestibular, our prostate, and our Cowper's gland. Okay, so they all produce something that is essential for sperm to survive through the repro tract. Okay, because they share the same tract, and we know that urine is very acidic. So sperm could withstand that very acidic and harsh environment because they're little precious babies, and they have to have something to help keep them alive. And so it has something to help buffer. It has some buffers in there, as well as it has nutrients in there for them to survive. Okay, so from there, we'll move that. This right here is our sigmoid flexure. Okay, and this muscle right here, whenever a ruminant animal, or like a bull or a goat, gets erect, this muscle is what relaxes, and then this S shape will extend. And this is what will make him get erect and go out. Whereas with the horse, it's cavernous tissue, kind of like the human male, where blood fills the penis, and that's how their erection occurs. Okay, so this right here is our glans penis, and this is our urethral process, or as like Dr. Jackson likes to call it, the fridge tickler. In here you have, it's a hard part, and it's called the os penis. Okay, and then here's our prepuce. Oh, this part that actually is exposed to the outside environment is called the prepuce, and that's it.